I'm sure you think this is moi-moi made from beans, but no, this isn't moi-moi made from beans. This particular moi-moi wasn't made from beans. So today I want to show you another type of moi-moi that will help you control your blood sugar. That will even supply you with more fiber than when you use the regular beans to make moi-moi. So today's moi moi was made from soybeans, the one we call soya beans. Yes, I know you are surprised, right? But you might be wondering, why did I choose to make use of this and not go for the regular beans? Okay, I will tell you. The reason is that, let's even talk from the nutritional aspect. 100 grams raw soya beans contains 30 grams of carbohydrates and a whooping 20 grams of fiber. Whereas 100 grams raw white beans or black eyed beans contains a huge 60 grams of carbohydrates. That's double the amount of carbohydrates in soya beans and just 11 grams of fiber compared to the 20 grams contained in the soya beans. So I decided to go for the one with a higher fiber and a lower carbohydrate content. Makes sense, right? So this is a video you want to share, you want to like right now and circulate especially to your Nigerian brothers and sisters so that those that are diabetic can watch it and learn and start making use of this particular ingredient, this soybean that they have been sleeping on all this while. And trust me, the process is easy. It's very, very easy. Just like the way you will prepare your normal moi moi. You can see all the ingredients I've been adding all this while. So it's just the same way you prepare your moi moi. All the same ingredients you use for the regular moi moi. The only thing that changes there is that we are making use of soya beans instead of the regular beans or our traditional beans, whether honey beans or white beans. And look at it, see the end result is very, very perfect. I can tell you the taste is actually the same. It tastes delicious, and I know that with this my blood sugar levels will not spike even after eating this. So why haven't you been trying this at all? Or have you tried this before? Let me hear from you in the comments. If you have any question regarding this recipe, drop it also in the comments. I will be answering them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and I will see you